Hey there, Eagle Song Gardener in the garden today. And it's June 28th and we're getting ready to harvest the Motherwort. This is Leonurus cardiaca, and it's a beautiful plant in the garden and a very useful plant in the apothecary. So it's in perfect bloom stage right now for harvesting, and we will be taking the upper parts of the plant today as we harvest. Remember, Leonurus cardiaca is the heart of the lion, and so this is gonna go in. We're gonna make tincture with the motherwort. Motherwort does not make a very good tea. It's too bitter, so using it in tincture is the best way to get the herb into people. It's a great herb for tonifying the nervous system. And as you can see here, it's a really square-stemmed member of the mint family. Well, it's a member of the mint family and it has this definite square stem. It is not very minty in its scent. It doesn't have a minty scent about it. So I'm going to be cutting it off, hopefully just enough that it will begin to grow again. And if not, that's all right, because we have plenty of motherwort in our garden. So we'll take this whole plant's tops, just like this.
Is it an annual or a perennial?
Oh, great question. This is, the motherwort is a perennial herb. That means that it'll grow year after year after year. The one thing about motherwort in the garden that you need to know is that it is a prolific self-seeder. It will definitely spread, she will spread her seeds around, and in our gardens here at Ravencroft, she has become, well, I call her well settled. She shows up all over the place. I don't find it invasive. I just find it that she's easy. She comes up easy through heavy grass and other things. So great plant to have in the garden, easy to manage, not aggressive in any way, and just a great plant for structure in the garden if you're doing a garden with beauty in mind. She's great in the back of the border or mid border. This is that was about a 4 foot, 4.5 foot, maybe at the most a 5 foot expression of the motherwort, but actually motherwort can get up 6 foot. I've had them way taller than me in the past. Depends a lot on the soil. On the east side of the Rocky Mountains, motherwort has naturalized and it's actually found wild oftentimes, but on the west side of the Rockies we don't find that as much, at least not here in Washington State, Western Washington where I live. So all the plants that we find are in gardens. All right, that is the motherwort harvest, June 28th, here at Ravencroft Garden, eaglesong-gardener.com. Come on over and see us at the garden. We have a Walking Seeds newsletter you can subscribe to, and stay in tune with our weavings of herbs into our lives. All right.